Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to stick bricks together. First, let's prepare. You'll need a few key tools, a brick trowel, a spirit level, a string line, and a tape measure. Make sure your foundation is clean, level, and strong enough to support the new structure. A crucial step is to pre-soak your bricks in water for about 5 to 10 minutes. This prevents the dry bricks from quickly drawing moisture out of your freshly mixed mortar, ensuring a stronger bond and better workability. Now let's mix the mortar, which is the glue that holds your bricks together. A common and effective ratio is 1 part cement, 1 part lime, and 4 to 5 parts building sand. Start by thoroughly mixing the dry ingredients. Then, gradually add clean water, mixing continuously until you achieve a consistent, workable paste. The ideal consistency is like thick peanut butter. It should hold its shape on the trowel but still spread smoothly onto the bricks. With your mortar ready, it's time to lay bricks. Begin by spreading a consistent bed of mortar, about 1 inch thick for your first course. Place your first brick, then apply mortar to one end of the next brick, a technique called buttering. Press it firmly against the previous brick, ensuring a consistent joint thickness, typically about 3/8 of an inch. Regularly check your work with a spirit level to ensure each brick is perfectly level, plumb, and aligned. As you complete your brickwork, the finishing touches are important for both aesthetics and durability. Use a jointer tool to compress and shape the mortar joints, creating a neat, uniform appearance and improving weather resistance. This should be done when the mortar is thumbprint hard. Carefully brush away any excess mortar from the brick faces before it fully sets. Finally, allow your brickwork to cure properly for at least 28 days to achieve its maximum strength and longevity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.